In this video we show you a small but effective Eurythmy movement, I look up. We go step by step. We stand upright and make a pronounced U movement upwards, high above the head. We take this U movement down in front of the chest, pause a bit and go back up. Now we move the head along with the movement, taking it down and up again. Then we move our whole body along with it, going down to our knees and then up again. Now we perform this movement in its entirety. We stand upright and make a pronounced U movement upward, high above the head. We slowly sink down very low to our knees, and as we sink down we move our arms downward in front of our chest. At the same time we lower our head. We remain in this movement for a while. Then we go upward slowly, our arms and head as well, and return to the starting position. If we really let this movement arise from the sensation I look up, it will be a particularly beautiful and solemn movement, Rudolf Steiner said. For this movement we have posted a photo of the first Eurythmist, Lori Meyer-Smits. If you want to learn a second little funny Eurythmy movement, upgrade to advanced level. Right before Rudolf Steiner gave the Eurythmy movement I look up, he gave another little funny movement. Alternately, we swiftly move our arms and hands parallel to one side and to the other, without letting an A form in between. I am there is what Rudolf Steiner called this movement. We do the movement slowly at first, holding our right arm and leg to the right side and making sure they are parallel to each other. Then we do the same to the left side, and again we make sure that the arm and leg are parallel to each other. Now we make this movement 3 times back and forth. We always start with the right side, so right, left, right. We repeat this twice with the words I am there. I am there. Now we perform them faster, jumping from one side to the other without forming an A in between. Now we do this 3 times with the words I am there. I am there. I am there. For this movement we have posted a note by Rudolf Steiner.